Hi, my name is Andrew Dimmer, and welcome to this crash course to GitHub. So, what we're going to be covering today is not necessarily the theoretics of GitHub or, why we do stuff or anything like that, but very much if you're looking to go use GitHub, physically, which buttons do you need to click to get the basics of everything that you'll need to know? And so why is this so important? Currently I'm the team integration manager for one of my class projects, and as a result, we need to go figure out how to get 50 different people in the class all contributing together without overwriting each other's code. And while I was thinking about that problem, it occurred to me, this is the same way that, businesses deal with it. I've worked as an intern for multiple summers. I'm currently working as a junior developer at Amazon. I've done hackathons, I've done undergraduate research, class projects, everything like that. Everyone always does it through version control, through code reviews, through tracking issues and pull requests and everything else like that, but it's not something that's really taught. So in this playlist, we'll be covering all of that as a physically what buttons do you need to click to go get up to speed so you can start using it right away, whatever project comes up for you. Now, if you're interested in more of a theoretical, why we do stuff, what the terminology is, how things work behind the scenes, I do have another talk on that. I'll probably put it at the end of this playlist, but this series in particular is going to be the hands-on, nitty-gritty, which buttons do you click to make everything work. With that being said, let's get started.